Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to prepare a perfect Goan Green Chutney. To start with the ingredients, we need coriander, grated coconut or desiccated coconut, green chilies, cumin seeds, garlic, turmeric, tamarind, salt, sugar, ginger and roasted onion. In a mixture jar, take 1 bunch of coriander, 1 cup coconut which is equal to a medium whole coconut, 2 green chilies, you can add number of chilies as per your choice, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 garlic cloves, half inch of ginger, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a marble sized tamarind pod. Add salt as per your taste. I am using half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 medium roasted onion. Now let's add 1/4 cup of water which is 65 ml. Now let's grind this to a smooth paste. So friends, this is how the chutney is going to be once it's grinded. I had to use a little more water while grinding. You can use water if you need to adjust the consistency. So friends, if you liked our recipe, show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel and give your feedback in the comment section. Until then, love from K2N family. Stay safe. God bless you all.